Good morning, comrades. Welcome to the Supra, with which we are going to do a lap in a bit. But today is also the day that I will be leaving back to Croatia, so I decided it's such a great atmosphere at the Nürburgring, might as well do some vlogging, do some car spotting while we're rolling around, and then finish off with some trip report into Croatia. Focus RS, GT3 RS, RS, well, RS on the license plate, but it's not an RS3, I think, or is it?
I think it is.
Yeah, well, maybe, yeah.
Sure.
But it has no badge, so
Yeah.
I'm one of those. I'm like a girl that has no clue of cars, like, so it has no badge, so it's just like a color. That's a white car, that's a black car, that's a silver car, that's a van with a ladder.
There's a trash can.
There's a trash can. Which car did you call a trash can?
No, the trash can.
Actual trash can. Are we actually putting Supra in the bin?
Yeah. I don't think it fits in this bin. We need a bigger bin. There you go.
This massive, how should I say, collection, let's call it collection, of Dutch plates. Nice GT2 RS. Oh, it's an MR. I didn't see that. Yeah, of course. Full MR kit. Impressive. Yeah. MG, M3, M1, M2. Not the M1, but the M1 color-ish. Not M1, 1M. I'm so confused by such an amount of cool cars, sorry. Ooh, nice. I should probably get something for on the way to Croatia. Got my lunch pack, waiting for Fabi to get his. Meanwhile, can do some more car spots. Nice Pro Track wheels on the Golf. Yes. Cool wrap, root beer. And a 600 LT. And a very cool Primera. Someone posted the story of me riding in front of it yesterday, and all the comments were like, oh, such an awesome Primera. Gorgeous. Ready?
Ready.
Oh, why is this here? Oh well. Nice, can go straight through Adenauer Forest. Oh my god, he has a dog in the back.
And a roll cage for the dog.
Oh yeah, as well. That's a way to look at it. Wonderful view. Yeah, let's go check out here. Some proper car spots. That's a massive wing. Wow. M2C. Gorgeous GT3 RS.
It's a nice color, yeah.
Yeah.
Ram, okay.
Oh, I totally missed it. I was paying attention to the RS.
A Ram and a Jam.
Ooh, 993.
It's a nice color, too.
It's like endless.
Wow.
Wow.
It's really busy here, yeah.
It is. Let's check out the GP track. Nice. Blame James. Ooh, that's a wonderful GTI.
Nice, nice.
White body. Ooh, chrome wrap.
Wow.
What's the regulation in Germany regarding chrome wrap?
I think there's a limit of
Percentage.
the amount of, yeah.
Let's go to the right. I always wondered why this Nürburgring is upside down. The fuel prices are definitely not friendly here. Oh, is there a track day or something? I think there's a track day. Why are there cars on the GP track?
Porsche.
It's a Porsches, or is it Porsche Cup? Could it be? Interesting. Beautiful. Yeah, it's definitely convertible weather. Evora. Don't see many of those for some reason. I'm not a fan of those
I
taillights.
was just about to say, I'm not sure about those lights.
But I mean, he has a Turbo S and I don't, so feels like a car meet.
Yeah.
People coming in, people coming out. Why don't they open this gate so like people can go in and out? I just want to say that this is new at ED and it's very, very good. What do you think? Yep. By the way, another important update. No, Robert didn't buy a Senna, but here there was a package delivered to me at Apex. Can you help me open this up, please?
No. You got
You're the reason why I'm struggling.
You should buy yourself a mount to mount to your chest.
Yeah?
So you can video and have both hands.
Yeah, or you should not make me buy old cars. Look what I got.
Wow, look. Presents. What is this?
It's a,
Oh, nice.
yeah, for a shifter. Alcantara.
Do you want me to open this for you?
Yeah, you can, yeah.
Ooh.
Is it nice and heavy?
That's not Misha. Oh, it's one of these ones. Yeah, these are cool.
Yeah. With Alcantara.
There should be the badge in the bottom.
Yeah, the badge.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah, look there. I think it's a 620R.
Oh wow.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
That's cool. Fast forward back to Apex, and the tractor, not the Senna, but the tractor is ready to go back to Croatia. Just need to put some tire pressure back on because I've been doing tracking, so now it's a bit low for the trip. Tire pressure's done, and look how beautiful the brakes are, and the wheels still after 2 laps. Yeah, so not too much brake dust coming off the PFC pads. I'm happy about that. All right. Oh, influencers in the wild, huh? See you in 2 weeks.
Later, man.
Bye. Why is that here? Well, all the McLarens here. Oh, look at all these car spotters making spots of the ring tractor. Wanted to go for some refill, but I guess we're good. Lovely. Alpine. You see, you can leave the gas station without being a douchebag. Things are getting really lit here. Well, I got my snack for on the way. Let's get going to Croatia. Hey. Well, I mean, I'm kind of full anyway, but I did 2 laps previously and just wanted to make sure that I'm really, really full. And now, look who we have here. I was already on my way, actually, and then I suddenly got a message like, hey, we spotted you.
Hello, sir.
Oh, hello, sir.
Nice plate, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
You're right at home.
So you have Black Series and I have Black Smoke Series.
Is that how it's going today?
I guess. Some photo sessions and some
I've
gifts.
got a present for you. I've got a Shmi 150 mask in cerulean blue, no less.
Nice. I love it.
What for you?
Ooh, it's actually, it feels nice as well.
Washable?
Awesome. Oh, adjustable as well for
Yeah, different sizes.
different size. That's like, you thought of everything. Wonderful. Was good meeting you.
Good to meet you too.
Keep the social schmeestancing.
Yes.
Yes.
Social, what was it?
Schmeestancing.
Schmeestancing. Schmotional schmeestancing.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright.
See you.
See you later.
Bye.